What is up, everybody? Oh, hold on. Wait for the game to load. Oh, yo, what the heck? Look at this spawn. It's my FPS. 30? Okay, looks like shaders are coming off. Yeah, what's up, everybody? This is just a short video I'm making because, you may not know this, but I'm an engineering student in college, and I just had a big project due today. I thought it'd be fun to make a video about it because, you know, I had fun doing it, and maybe 3 of you would care. I don't know. The other thing is I have the physics mod on, and I just kind of want to play around with that more because it's fun. Look at the stick; it fell all the way, and it's like sparkling. That's different. Not from the physics mod, from a different texture pack, I think. But look at this. Look at these sticks. Pretty much, I'm just gonna try and beat the game whilst I talk because that's fun. As an electrical engineering student, one of the classes that I'm taking, is called Statics and Dynamics. So in that class, we learn about 2 things. Things that move and things that don't move. Hence the name Statics and Dynamics. This is, oh my gosh, this is gonna take forever to break. Is there a chest somewhere? Regardless, that class required us to build a truss. Now, raise your hand if you know what a truss is. It's like a bridge, but for a roof. It like holds the roof in place, kind of like rafters. But we had to build one, and then we had to see how much weight it could support, and we had a limited amount of materials and a limited time to design it. And oh, yeah, that also breaks. That's, oh wait, is it gonna break the obsidian? No shot. Dang it, that was anticlimactic. And so pretty much we had to do everything from scratch. We had to go look up different truss designs that would be interesting and effective. We had to use AutoCAD to design the material layout. We had to like make sure it was all within the confines of the material we were given. So me and 2 of my friends, we got started on it right away and came up with a couple different designs. So I came up with some, one of the other people on my team came up with some, and we just kind of compared. And eventually we settled on a K-truss design, which I might put a picture up on screen if I remember or feel like it. So we had to submit a preliminary design report talking about what we thought we were going to do. And eventually we decided on something completely different. We decided on the K-truss and went from there. Are we sure there's a chest here? Maybe it's on this side. It's probably on this side. Huh. You know what? I'm gonna give up on this. Once we got the idea of the truss kind of figured out and decided on what we were going to try and make, we had to actually build it. And we had to use something called AutoCAD, which is an computer-aided design software that none of us had ever used before. So we just had to like watch some tutorials and figure out how to use it. By we, of course, I mean one of the other guys on my team. I didn't actually do any of the AutoCAD. It was all just this one guy, and he was really good at it actually, because we got it all designed, right? And we were given a sheet like of a certain size, and we packed it so full because I guess we didn't quite realize how much material we were going to use, and we just like packed it chock full. And then we turned it in to get it approved by our professor, and then he sent us an email back saying, "Oh yeah, no, you forgot a piece. In fact, you forgot 48 pieces." Yeah, because those 48 pieces were just little like washers for kind of connecting the truss. I haven't really talked about how we're supposed to build this truss. Pretty much we were given a material called like high density fiber, and it gets like laser cut, which is really cool, but I've never heard of that before, and we just kind of went with it. And then we were given glue. We had to glue the truss together instead of using like nuts and bolts and like screws and that sort of thing. I'm gonna have to come back here with a lava bucket at some point, but I do need iron. Hello, bunny. Die. Okay. Oh. Whoops. Okay. Since we forgot those like 48 small washers, we had to go back and redesign our entire layout of the materials to fit them in. And somehow we got them in with more free space than we had before. I don't know. Our man working on the AutoCAD stuff, manipulating space and time like nobody's business. I don't know. It was crazy. And honestly, quite satisfying. Oh yeah, look at the waves. The waves actually actually do wave stuff. Like look, if I build a boat, look at this. Look at this. We go up. Oh, and we go up, and then we go down, and we splash. This is really cool. I don't know if I wish this was a vanilla feature or not. It seems like a lot, but it's still really, really cool. Once our truss layout was like fully approved, fully designed, we had to go get it laser cut from one of the labs on campus. So we had it scheduled for Friday, and then the following Friday, 1 week later, was our actual competition. So we only had a week to throw this together. And I thought we'd be fine. It doesn't take that long to put together. So when we got there to get it cut out, they talked to us and said, hey, there's been a delay. We're going to have to, like, put you back an hour. So now we were behind an hour. And so an hour later, we come back, and we finally get our thing going. And, you know, it takes, like, an hour or two to laser cut. And finally, we get all the pieces, and we're like, we're set. So now we just have to, you know, throw it all together. And that's what we do. The next day, we spent a few hours putting it together. We got one side of the truss done because, you know, a bridge has two sides and then like the thing in the center, but we didn't have a thing in the center. We just kind of had the two, I don't know, support. I don't know what it's called. I'm supposed to know this stuff. I don't know this stuff. I'm not a mechanical engineer. I'm an electrical one. So like building bridges and trusses is more like I guess it's more like a civil engineer thing, of which I am also not. So I don't know. This is really overpowered for chopping down trees. I'm also starving. I should probably do something about that. And it's nighttime and there's a big cave and ooh, dripstone. Can I make that? Do you think I can make that? I don't know if I should try. Let me bridge out a little bit and then we'll try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, we can make that for sure. I forgot I couldn't jump. Oh. Okay. Let's get some stuff. We gotta make one piece of food. Ooh, yo, wait a minute. Oh, that's really overpowered. So we spent about 2 nights throwing together our truss, and it was the definition of scuffed. Like, you make a little mistake on one piece, and next thing you know, you get to like the center of the truss, and it's all just like mismatched. Not entirely mismatched, but enough that you're like, oh goodness. What have I done? And so that happened on both sides, more so on the second truss than the other one. Yeah, and it just wasn't an ideal situation. Oh, there's fish. That might actually be a good idea. It wasn't an ideal situation in the slightest. However, it was what we had, and I figured maybe it wouldn't matter that much. Spoiler, it kind of did matter once we see later, because the end goal for all of this wasn't just to like have the truss built. It was to put it to the test. We had to use calculations and like math and like area and stuff. It was a whole process. We had a giant Excel sheet full of all these calculations. And basically we had to determine where we thought the truss was going to break and after how much pressure, how much weight was put on it. And so we deciphered that it was going to break at around 110 newtons after a whole lot of you know, finicking and like messing with stuff, because originally it was going to fail at like 300 newtons. And we're like, oh yeah, that sounds pretty good. And then we turned it in and our professor was like, no. The weakest truss from the year before was over double that. So we were like, frick, we got to do better. So we spent a whole bunch of time like, you know, making things thicker, adding more glue area so like the glue would support it more and all that stuff. And eventually we got it up to 1,010. We were fighting to get it over 1,000 because we're like, if we can get it over 1,000, it just sounds so much better than like 927. You know what I mean? And it's just better to get it to that number so we can at least be like, yeah. See, we're somewhat competent. We did it slightly good, you know? And so we get it over 1,010 newtons. And so most of us are Americans. You don't know what a newton is. So it's about 227 pounds, I think is what our math was. So that's respectable. You know what I mean? Like that could hold me. That could hold me and another person. Maybe if it was like a small person, I guess. It'd have to be it'd have to be me and like a child. If I was holding like a 2-year-old, then it could hold me and a 2-year-old probably. And so we get it built, we get it all thrown together, and competition day rolls around. And my goodness, there was about 37 teams total because it was basically everybody who's taking some sort of like statics class. There were 2 different statics classes, one for the computer and electrical engineers and one for like the mechanical and the civil engineers, because the mechanical and the civil engineers have to take a harder class because they're going to be working with that stuff a lot more. Which makes sense, right? I don't intend to be building trusses my whole life, so I don't need to know how to do that very well. Oh, even the dripstone's breaking. I'm gonna make some torches. Ouch. Where's the iron? There's no iron. I need iron. And so we get to the competition, and it's just down in like one of the engineering buildings. And yeah, there's a ton of people. There's like, I don't know, there could have been 100 people. I don't know if it was 100 people. I'm not good with numbers. Like in that I'm not good with like estimating population and stuff. And so we're there and it's crowded everywhere, and we were one of the last teams. We were like team 31 out of 37 or something like that. So we waited till the very end. Some people did really good, some people did really bad. The highest weight held by one of the trusses was 727 pounds. Not newtons, pounds. A newton is a fourth of a pound. So our 1,010 newtons was like 200 and some pounds, and theirs held 700 pounds. That's almost, it's almost 4 times our predicted value. And so we're there, we're like, dang, all right, we certainly ain't winning this, but like we kind of knew that from the start because we were just kind of doing this like, you know what? We ain't gonna win. Let's just do it and get a good grade on it. So, ooh, oh, there's a monster spawner. Whoa, what the heck? It broke the chest. Did it break the monster spawner? What's in this chest? Ooh, gold and bread. I'll take it. I'll take it all. What if I do like that? Oh my goodness, that's incredible. We held 296 pounds, which was, about 60 pounds more than we thought we were going to hold, which you might be thinking, oh, that's great. That's awesome. However, there were 3 criteria for this trust competition: how much weight it holds, how efficient it is, and how close you were to predicting your truss's failure point. And we were incredibly off. Remember how I said that when we put it together, some of it was scuffed and it just was going to come back to bite us? Yeah, we broke at a point that I built. Personally, it was me. It was my fault, probably. Probably. We can blame other people if we want. But I built the piece that broke. So, and I know I built it incorrectly. Or not incorrectly, but I built it poorly because I remember struggling with it for like 20 minutes. Just like, why is it doing this? Why isn't it fitting? And eventually I'm just like, you know what? Screw it. It'll be fine. And I just kind of like put it in there and glued it and said, you know what? The glue will be strong enough to hold it in place. Lo and behold, it wasn't. Some people did a lot worse than us. Like I think the lowest was like 50 something or 40 something. And then the highest, obviously 700 plus pounds. And we were right in the center. So we did mediocre, which I wish was higher, but also like we're going to get a decent grade. And once we write our final report, that's due in like a week, then we'll also probably get a decent score. So I don't think it's anything to worry about. If I'm ever going to build a truss again, obviously I have to do it better because we didn't do it terrific. Where is iron? I just need... Oh, this cave probably has more stuff. So yeah, that was our truss competition. It was fun. It was a lot of work. We probably put like, I don't know, 30 plus hours, probably more into the truss. It was several days of just like working on it repeatedly. So I'm not 100% sure what our playtime is for the truss project, if you wanna use that word. I kind of don't know what to do right now. My story is over, but we haven't beaten the game yet, so I suppose I should just go until I die or kill the Ender Dragon. Oh, the doors. What? That, okay. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, what have I... Oh, good. Oh, ooh. Ooh, what have I done? Ooh, that's a lot of destruction. But wait, maybe I can use that to my advantage. Look at all of that. Okay. Does it break ores too? Oh, there's a whole spot here. Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, there's more. No. Stop shooting me. Oh no, we've let in the floodgates. Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Like if I... Oh my goodness, what am I about to do? Oh. Okay, it wasn't actually that bad. Do it again. Whoa. Yes, my 1 iron. Okay. Love to see it. Love it. Love it so much. Oh, I have free cam. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's a deep dark. Okay, free cam might be considered cheating, so I'm gonna turn that back off. But there's a deep dark down there. Let's go fight the deep dark instead, actually. Let's not go kill the Ender Dragon. Let's just go until I die. Let's just do some fun stuff. Might as well. Yeah, this is a second channel video anyways for the 2 people that actually watch my second channel. There's like 10 subscribers on it or something like that. But you should subscribe. If you're here from the main channel, you should subscribe. If you're like this far into the video, then it's probably because you actually just want to watch, you know, High Tech 01 and not Minecraft. Oh! Run, 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 run. Okay, well, I know what I'm making with that one piece of iron. That is going to be a shield. That's what it's called, a shield. Yeah, I can English. Hi. Oh, wait a minute. Yo. I have just cheesed the system. The skeleton can do nothing to stop me. Iron chest plate. And now we need food, because I have 1 fish to my name. And 3 bread. 4... Wait, I can do 4 bread. 4 bread and wheat that I can't actually eat. Okay, so there's no ancient city down here. Sorry, I'm using the free cam mod again. It's pretty useful for this stuff. I don't actually use it on other videos, but there's no ancient city here. So I'm gonna go find one. What do you know? We're in the deep dark of all places. We just kind of magically whisked here. Who'd have thought? And there's the ancient city, the city of the most deepest, ancientest of evil. I don't know. Is the word an evil? Forgot about that part. This is a really bad idea. This is a horrible, horrible idea. But it's fun. I think it's fun. I didn't think this through. I have a boat. What's in this chest? Oh, the ward armor trim. A whole bunch of stuff I don't... Okay, the warden's coming. What? Double notch apples? Okay. 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 Okay, that was worth it, but... Oh! Oh! Okay, we're gonna die. We're just gonna die. Where is he at? Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, we're just running. I can't see. No, we're just running. Nope. All we can do now is survive a little bit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, he's right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't do anything to him. I can't do anything to him, man. Oh, I'm dead. Oh my goodness. Okay, that didn't actually do that much. Climb, 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 climb. Climb, climb and run. Oh, okay, eat the other one, eat the other one. Run, 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 run. Alright, Warden. Take that, take that. Oh. I did 10 damage to the Warden. I did 10 damage. That was a great ending. So if you enjoyed, leave a like. Just a second channel video, because I was bored and I wanted to talk about my truss. Yeah, because that's what this started out as. And then I just kind of sidetracked into, I don't even know, just playing around. But that's kind of what Minecraft is about, you know? So, subscribe to my main channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Day 3, I guess. That was kind of funny.